It's perfect.
Let me show you how to make my version of the most delicious pasta with white bean soup, a take on classic pasta fagioli. Start by sauteing leeks and shallots, complemented with garlic, fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, as well as cumin spice. Carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes add a light but rich flavor. Black-eyed peas and cannellini beans were the perfect choices. You can use vegetable or chicken stock. Tiny ditalini pasta works amazing, but you could use whatever type you prefer. The soup is then finished with baby organic spinach. You could also use kale.
It's perfect.
Get the ingredients list in the description box. This looks amazing.
It's amazing.